Hey everyone, so today we're making most powerful anti-aging oil there is using raw papaya and some other ingredients. So let's go. So these are some benefits of papaya. It's good for exfoliating, anti-inflammatory, it's hydrating, it removes dark cycles and also reduce hyperpigmentation. So papaya is very good when it comes to anti-aging and overall brightening. So here we've got our blended papaya. You will cut your papaya, wash it, and then blend it into a puree. Here we are transferring our papaya puree or papaya puree papaya paste into a heat safe container because we are putting it on fire. Okay, so right here we have our puree, right? So we're going to be using a carrier oil. This time around we are using a coconut oil. This is cold pressed coconut oil. You can use, where is the coconut oil? Okay, so you can use any carrier oil of choice, being it almond oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, any carrier oil of choice. This time around I'm using coconut oil in this recipe, cold process or cold pressed coconut oil. So for those asking if we do skincare training, of course we do. We do. So you want to start your own skincare brand, all you need to do is chat us. There is a link in our description box. You can chat us directly to our WhatsApp and then you learn. Okay, so here we put our coconut oil inside our papaya puree and we are putting it in a low heat. Put it on low heat and be stirring occasionally. You don't want to burn your papaya. You are not frying stew, okay? Just very, very low heat, okay? So you will know when the papaya oil is ready because your oil will turn to orange and then the papaya puree will settle at the bottom. So that's when you know your papaya your papaya oil is ready. You don't want to turn the papaya into black stew or you don't want to fry it into you understand, right? So okay, what is with my camera? Oh my god. Okay, so this oil that you see is very good when it comes to anti-aging. You can use it for both face and body. Yes, there's no limitation. You can use it. It's very, very, very good when it comes to anti-aging, when it comes to brightening your skin, when it comes to softening your skin. It's very good oil. Just like carrot oil, this oil too is packed with a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It's very, very good. So I love this oil. I use this oil like virtually all the time. So of course I said let me share the recipe. So as you can see, our oil is ready. We're just going to strain this and then add our remaining ingredients, and then our anti-aging brightening oil is ready. Right, okay, it's not ready yet. Okay, so right here we are straining it. Just make sure make sure the paste don't follow. Okay, that's just it. So as you can see, we have, is it golden orange? So here we have turmeric oil. I love turmeric oil. Like, it gives that brightening yellow color. So I use 1 teaspoon of turmeric oil in, as you can see, 100 grams of papaya. So I'll be using vitamin E oil also. It's kind of boosts the effectiveness of this oil, and it's preventive from going rancid. Vitamin E is good when it comes to oil, when it comes to skincare formulation. So here we have it. Our papaya oil is ready. Papaya brightening anti-aging oil is ready. You can bottle it and then use this oil. You can use it for kids, you can use it on your own. It's very, very good oil. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.